Imagine you're lost in the desert of marketing mediocrity, throat dry, dreams fading, when bam, a levitating treasure chest explodes into view, radiating golden light like it's the second coming of profit itself. It's pulsing with blurred symbols, emails, funnels, graphs, beaming straight into your soul. You're on your knees, eyes popping, heart racing, as the words unlock the content, blaze across the sky like a divine commandment. That's the AI ToolKit Vault, baby. Over 20 secret AI tools the marketing elite hoard like dragons, plus my personal prompt vault that spits cash like an ATM with a glitch. And it's free. Check out the link in the video description for full details. You're out there, grinding, sweating, bleeding hours to write emails, build funnels, craft lead magnets. It's like wrestling a greased pig in a mud pit, exhausting and embarrassing. But with this toolkit, you're done in seconds. Auto-create emails that grab readers by the eyeballs and don't let go. Plug-and-play lead magnet builders and calculators that vacuum up leads like a black hole. Landing pages, blog posts, entire campaigns. Bam, one click, and you're sipping margaritas while the money rolls in. These AI tools replace a $5,000 a month marketing team for $0. Work less, scale faster, live larger. Check out the link in the video description for full details. Don't take my word for it. Listen to the warriors already slaying with this. Jenna M., solo copywriter from Austin, Texas, says, "This toolkit saved me 15 hours last week. I wrote an entire email sequence in under an hour, normally a weekend killer. Results? 3x more replies. It's a cheat code." Marcus T., fitness coach from San Diego, chimes in, "I'm no tech wizard, but this made building a full funnel stupid easy. Grab the calculator, the funnel builder. Boom, leads poured in the next day." And Alicia D., e-commerce queen from Rockford, Illinois, screams, "These tools should cost a fortune, but they're free. The AI prompts alone are pure gold." Hundreds of solo marketers and business owners are riding this rocket. Don't get left in the dust. Here's the ugly truth. This deal's on a countdown. Hours, minutes, seconds, poof, gone. You want to be the sucker crying over spilt profits? Didn't think so. Drop your name, slam your email, and unlock the AI Toolkit Vault now. 100% privacy, no scams, no spam, just a marketing arsenal that'll make your competition weep. Check out the link in the video description for full details. Hit the blog for more wisdom, but don't dawdle. This is your shot, your moment, your marketing Armageddon. Click that link, grab the free toolkit, and let's print money like we're the Federal Reserve on a bender. Go!